In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store and getting this app, Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, open it and mute the music by clicking at the bottom left corner. Then hit consent. Click on gear icon at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you wish to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Now choose Apply to Home and Lock Screen and close your Magic Fluids app. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!